Use the nutrition facts label to make healthier choices. The nutrition facts label has changed. You may have noticed these changes already. The serving size and calories now displayed in larger bold font. Added sugars now appear on the nutrition facts label. Vitamin D and potassium are now listed. The percent daily value shows how much a nutrient in a serving of food contributes to a total daily diet. The ingredients are listed from most to least in the food product. Read the nutrition facts label. It's what's inside that counts. Go to fda.gov/new nutrition facts label for more information.